How to restart phone without power button. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out how to restart the phone without power button. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. For that, go ahead and open up your device, and once you have opened it up, simply head over to the main settings of the device. Once you're here, scroll down and go to accessibility. Go ahead and locate that settings on your phone. And once you are here, what you need to do is go to advanced settings, this one right here. Just go ahead and tap on it and then go to accessibility button. After that, you need to select the actions. So we're going to go to that and we're going to go ahead and select this option called assisted menu. And then we're going to go ahead and select this option called assisted menu, this one right here. After that, tap and allow, give the access, and you'll be finding this button right beside your screen. So what you need to do is simply tap on that menu, and you'll be finding this again. Just go ahead and tap on it. When you tap on it, you'll be finding different options available on your screen. Go ahead and locate this option called power off menu. After that, you'll be finding the restart option, and you can just go ahead and tap on this restart option without using your power button. So that is it. That is how you restart your phone without a power button. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.